Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to show you this new iPhone 17 Pro Max, 17 Pro Max. I just got it from Apple. I ordered it 22 days ago and today I received it. So this is the 17 Pro Max 256 GB and in US market it is $1,199. So like almost it is $1,200. This one 256 GB and I have iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I have already, and all the videos so far I did in my channel, all the videos that you saw, it's all made with this iPhone. Other than if the phone is used for doing any show, for any video, that time it is different camera, but all the other than that, all the videos that I have in my channel, it's all made with iPhone this 12 Pro Max. So I am now switching from this one to this one, and in this video I'm going to show you unboxing of this product and the installation, like so that it will be copied everything here. So all this I'm gonna show you. So let's open the box. So I'm super excited to show you this device, and it's always like iPhone is it's my favorite. And iPhone battery life, everything, like this is 256 GB and the battery life is 39 hours full video playback, so which is super excellent battery life. This one still it has 76% battery capacity. I am using it for 5 years. It's 5 years still, it is very good battery life. Whole day I can use the battery, so I'm very happy with iPhone battery life. So friends, this is the phone. Let me show you what comes inside the box. So this is blue. I got the blue model, and you see this camera, and this is the phone. This is the power button. These are the two buttons, volume up down plus mute button, and the camera button here. So that's all. And they are giving one USB-C cable, C to C, so both are C. And there is a small some information about this iPhone, and you are no longer need a physical SIM. All US model doesn't have a physical SIM option, so all are eSIM. So let's open this one. Oh my gosh, it's really nice. Let me show you the size. My one is, this is 12 Pro Max, and this is, it is almost similar size, little bit bigger, not little bit, it's I can tell it's almost similar. It's almost similar size, but this is really nice. So I'm going to do the installation right now. Let's do it. So I'm turning on the power. I press the power button. So the Apple logo comes, the beautiful Apple logo, half eaten, and it is coming up. This is aluminum body. Again, this is aluminum body. Last time iPhone like 16, it was titanium. Now they moved to aluminum again to make it light. Even it is 12 Pro Max, but it is really light. Even it is lighter than my, this is 17 Pro Max, it is lighter than my 12 Pro Max. I can feel it. 12 Pro Max is heavier than this one. So let's swap. English, United States, yep. Appearance, default, medium, large. Default is the main. Continue. Setup with another device. Looking for nearby devices. So I am just turning this on. Yes. Set up new iPhone. You can see. So it's now pairing up. Yes, it's me. Enter the passcode. Let me put the passcode. So I just entered the passcode, and it may take few minutes, which is correct because I have all the data will be transferred here, and you need to keep both the devices together so that it can do all the task. It's super simple. Unable to activate. This phone cannot be activated without an internet connection. You can try again or activate connecting your iPhone to a Mac or PC. Connectable support. Try again. Setup cellular. See, it's just showed that setup, visit or contact your local carrier store to set up. Scan QR code. I don't have the QR code ready, so I'll do the cellular setup later. Setup later. Software update. Update now. See, it's already done. It's, you can see here it says it's done. Let me agree on this. So it is downloading. So it's done. I'll transfer the cellular later, and cellular transfer will be different for each carrier. I am using now US Mobile, so they have direct option to switch from one to another, but you need to contact your carrier or something. If you have QR code, that will be easier. Otherwise you have to contact your carrier, so that I cannot show you here. It will be different for every single person, but other than that everything will be like done. Actually most of the, it's already copied everything. Once the device is downloading the software and installing, then it will be ready to use. So it's ready. It just restarted after downloading. Oh no, it's not ready yet. It's still preparing. I cannot do anything. By this time, let me show you. So this has USB-C, 3 camera, and the sensor, and this I already told you. Volume up, down button, mute button. I'm not sure, there might be some sensor here. And this is power button, and this is camera button. So that's all, very simple. And blue color, so it's now verifying the update. It's almost done by this time. And blue, this is the blue. My previous one also blue, was also blue. This one, I like this one more better. If you look at here, if you compare, I like this one better. This is 12 Pro Max. And if you look at these sides, these are really gorgeous, shiny. But to make it more light, they moved to aluminium. So it's almost ready, friends. You can see it is coming up. Let's wait it to come up. Friends, it's ready to use. You can see all different languages it's showing. Appearance, text size and icon have been customized in Excel. Continue. Quick setup iPhone. Again, why it is asking. Bring your current iPhone close to it. Why it is asking the same question again? Not sure. I did everything, but looks like it is again asking me to do the same thing. Getting things ready. Wait, I think let me enter the passcode. So, I did everything, but looks like it is setup cellular. I'll do the setup later. Return privacy, continue. I'm not sure why it is asking the same thing again. Face ID. Yes, Face ID, continue. Let me set up my Face ID. So you have to agree, and now looks like it is transferring all the data. So let it do. It may take some time because it's copying everything from this phone to here, so all the data and everything. So it says device added to my account, and let me see what it is showing. Yes, transfer everything and turn on the location service. Credit card, I need to provide the security code. Let me do that. So it was not able to add my credit cards even though I entered the PIN, but it says setup later, so I'll leave it for later. And now it is asking for Apple Intelligence. I want to do it later. I don't want to do this. Camera control, click camera control to open camera app. Take photo, light press to adjust the exposure and more. So this is camera control. So continue, and this is action. Yeah, action button. Not now, I will customize later. Hold for silent. Okay, so everything is here. Not now, I will customize all this later. Camera turn silent. Okay, Siri setup later. Emergency SOS. Now it is transferring data from my 12 phone, so let them keep it here. It may take some time, so let's keep it like this. They're transferring. So friends, you can see data transfer is complete. Now my phone is ready to use. Restore completed. Continue. So friends, you can see it's now installing all the apps that I already have. So it's installing everything, and the pre-installed Apple apps, those are already there. So it is asking how I use this iPhone when you are sharing location. Yes, everything with this iPhone, because I'm gonna get rid of the other one. So installation, it will be installing everything, so that will be done. So let it get install everything. So that's all about this video, friends. And also I am not able to show you this cellular settings. I have to add the phone. You can see I don't have any SIM, so I have to add the phone SIM. So I'll that depends on all the carriers, so I cannot do it here. So other than that, everything is ready. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.